and I guess it's all kind of irrelevant right now. But I miss you. Not all of you, just the good part.
I remember that day we spent the night chatting away. You told me about your failed grades, and I told you it would be okay. I don't really think that this'll work. Actually, the thought of it just hurts. I'm sorry for this make-believe. Trust me, today will not be the last. Old love letters, a blast from the past. I'm sorry for this make-believe. You called me in May. I didn't pick up, but what can I say? You've always had your charming ways. I don't really think that this'll work. Actually, the thought of it just hurts. I'm sorry for this make-believe. Trust me, today will not be the last. Old love letters, a blast from the past. I'm sorry for this make-believe. I'm sorry for this make-believe. I'm sorry for this make-believe.
Have you heard, were you waiting on something more? Have you heard of desperation without the courage? Maybe sometimes you feel like there's no point in trying. Maybe sometimes you feel like all of this isn't real. If I'm sad and I don't tell anyone, is it real? If I'm sad and I don't look the part, is it real? If I'm sad and I don't bleed, is it real? If I'm sad and I'm still alive, is it real? Do you feel the heaviness in your bones? The constant pressure from outside in. Can you still tell if it hurts? Maybe sometimes you wake up dreaming of jumping, wondering if a cracked skull is worth the moments you fly in. If I'm sad and I don't tell anyone, is it real?